Gasoline stations are pretty much alike. Service stations aren't. It doesn't take long to see the difference. Long enough for your Gulf dealer to check a few things. Rear window, so you can see what's behind you better. Taillights, so what's behind can see you better. Tires, whether they're worn, bruised, or cut. Battery, water, oil, fan belts, wiring, so you'll get where you're going. Headlights and windshield, so you'll clearly see how to get there. A service station ought to mean more than just a place to buy gasoline. Finding out it does takes just long enough to fill your tank, about 3 minutes, where your driving takes a turn for the best at the sign of the orange disc.